slow cooker on to low. Rinse 2 cans of chickpeas and 2 cans of butter beans. Peel and chop 2 parsnips. Add the parsnip to the slow cooker. Peel and chop 3 carrots. Add the carrot to the slow cooker. Slice 4 yams or 2 courgettes and add these to the slow cooker. Peel 2 large potatoes and chop them into cubes. Add these to the slow cooker. Along with this, add 2 diced onions, 2 red chillies, finely diced, and 1 large bunch of silverbeet, roughly chopped. Also add your drained beans and chickpeas. For flavour, add 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Two teaspoons of parsley flakes, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, and 4 tablespoons of Moroccan seasoning. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Add 3 to 4 cubes of vegetable stock and 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. Place the lid on the slow cooker and cook on low for 8 hours. At the halfway mark, remove the lid and stir to combine. Replace the lid and continue cooking. And there we have it, our slow-cooked Moroccan soup, a perfectly wholesome vegetarian dish, warming the soul on a cold winter's night.